Oh, I see Cooper's here. Since he's nearby, I can type in a local chat message that will show up on his screen. To use the voice function and talk directly with Cooper, I need to be wearing headphones with a built-in mic, and I need to turn on voice inside the 3D world. To do that, I click the small checkbox area next to the microphone icon on the bottom toolbar. Then I click the microphone. Now I can see green bars over my head that tell me my voice is being projected inside the 3D world. And I'll see green bars above Cooper's head when his voice has been activated. What did you want to talk about, Cooper?
I wanted to see if we could meet today or tomorrow.
Oh, wait a minute. I can barely hear you. Let me turn up your voice volume. To adjust the volume of Cooper's voice, I click on the headphones icon on the bottom toolbar. This brings up a list of anyone in the vicinity who has voice enabled. To turn up someone's voice volume, I select the person's name in the pop-up and move the slider bar. In this case, I move it to the right to increase the volume. Okay, say something so I can see if the volume is right.
Count 1.
Wait, that's way too loud. Let me turn the volume down a little. Just slide the bar to the left. Try it again, Cooper.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's much better. What were you saying before?
I wanted to see if we could get together with the team and talk about a couple of things. When would be good for you?
Tomorrow I'm kind of busy in the afternoon. Would 10 in the morning be okay?
Yeah, that works really well.
Are we meeting here on the virtual training platform?
That sounds great, so I'll see you then.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. These microlearnings cover the most important things you'll need to know for a successful and fun start to learning in 3D. Enjoy your new adventure in learning.